Do you realize that regular money, our fiat currency, is inherently inflationary? In other words, it has less value over time, and that's being affected hugely right now by the enormous recent printing of cash. Between June 2019 and 2020, cash increased by 5.1 billion notes, or over $226 billion. The previous year, it was 1.3 billion notes, or around $76 billion. All of this printed by the Federal Reserve, which is not federal. No matter what your investments, if their value is based on fiat US dollars, which is basically the world currency, they're always losing value over time because money itself is losing value. Crypto, by contrast, is inherently deflationary. For most coins, there's only a certain amount that will ever be in circulation. My dad, who is financially savvy, solvent, and well-educated, told me he couldn't wrap his head around the idea of a deflationary currency. Yet we have quite a common one already, which used to protect the dollar from this kind of inflation: gold. Now, what if our money was worth more year after year rather than less, because there was truly a fixed amount of it and you couldn't just print more? That's one of the basic principles of decentralized finance, aka DeFi, which surprisingly is not a sorority. Like gold, there is only a finite amount of most cryptocurrencies on planet Earth. Unlike gold, which increased its value by 2% last year, the most well-known crypto, Bitcoin, increased its value 500% during the same time period. Ups and downs? Yes. Worth learning about? Also, very much yes. Look, let me be clear. I am not here to teach you about crypto. I am not here to teach you how to invest in crypto. I am here to show you how to get out of your own way so you can start attracting all the money that is your birthright. I am here to introduce you to the goddess of crypto. Message me if you want to know more.